Well, this morning our friends from Revelation of London are leaving us, so I'm going to whip them up a nice Empress special, the banana bread. So I've got pretty much everything I need to make a quick banana bread. Our butter's just coming up to roomish temperature in this beautiful morning sunshine. There's Ragdoll. Oh, we're gonna miss you, Revelation of London.
So what you're doing here? Have some sugar-free vegan vanilla extract from Amazon. We bought this and we got the idea from Free Range Sailing. Pascal on Free Range Sailing love to cook, so she said get some stevia vanilla extract, but we couldn't get just vanilla, so this one has a hint of raspberry in it. Because it gets a little bit fiddly, I just added a little bit of this drinking chocolate from Portugal. So now it's brown. And I'm going to add some of this ginger syrup from the Netherlands. And I'm going to add some of the cinnamon from Spain. Oh, that's enough. Oops. And to make it a little bit more like anti-seasicknessy, I'm going to add in some ginger I accidentally bought at the supermarket. I thought it was mango. It's candied ginger, so I'm going to sneak that in. Some teeny tiny bits like that big. And I just chopped up a little bit of walnuts. So as you might have noticed, this is a one pan recipe. I don't need anything extra than just making it in the one pan, that's fine. So, but it's gotten really, really full. This is going to be like the mega loaf, the biggest I've ever made. So I'm not sure if my little baby pan is gonna handle it. We're getting there. think I can ram some more flour in there. So much ingredients. Whoa. Okie doke, so there we go. This is going to go in my pre-buttered pan. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. So just to finish it off, beautiful decorative poppy seeds, bacon stuff, and I'm going to bake it in the oven. Good luck. Zillion minutes. That one, yep. Cool. Okay, I've got this lovely scarf. Very appropriate for little girls, seaside, living on a boat. Oh, it's nearly done. Oh. Yay! I couldn't wait anymore. Okay, let's see if we can get this baby out. Oh my god. I really need two hands for this one. Maybe I can just go like that. Nope. Oh well, I get the idea. Come on. Okay. It's all good. It's okay. Banana bread is safe. Okay. It's all good. Well, normally I'd wait longer, but it just came right out of its tin beautifully. Can't see what I'm filming.